How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. I'm Isaiah Huang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw RJ from BT21. So let's get into it. Okay, kids, so to get started, all we're going to do is draw half circles. So we're going to start right here and draw a half circle, okay? And then one right next to it, and again, and then one more. And then we're just going to do the same thing on this other side. So draw a half circle, half circle, half circle, and a half circle. Now when you get to this point, we're just going to make one more to connect both of these. Just come down a little bit and then come around. Okay? And then we're going to do little triangles for RJ's ears. You don't have to make them pointy, you can kind of make them smooth, up and back down. And then we're going to do the face. So I like to start with the nose. The nose is kind of like a triangle shape. And then we're just going to do a little J, okay? Just like the other drawings we've done before. J, and same thing, J. And then we do circles for the eyes. Circle, circle, and then we just do lines for the eyebrows. And one more. You should have something like that. So then RJ has a cool bandana, and the shape is just comes down like this. Okay. When we get here, we want to go up and then come back down. So up, come back down, and then up. Then here we're gonna do a little like leaf shape, so kind of looks like a little leaf. Okay, so you should have something that looks like that. Now for RJ's body, we're gonna do same kind of these circles. So we're gonna do the arms probably about this long. Just kind of keep that in mind. So we're gonna do half circle, half circle, half circle. And same thing on this side, so half circle, and half circle. So you should have something that looks like that. I know it looks kind of weird, but it'll all make sense. And then we're just going to do more half circles until we get to the actual feet. So start about right here. We're just going to do half circle, half circle, and half circle. And then right when we're here, we're going to come straighten it out, and we're going to make the legs. Straighten it out, and then make the legs like that. And we're going to do exactly the same thing, but on the other side. So from here, and then same thing. Half circle, half circle, and half circle. Alright, now when you're at this point, you want to make this shape, but right down here. So right about here, we're going to do this. And then we're going to make a line, just so that we know where the flips are. Same thing on the hands. Right there. And right here. And then we get to do the fun part, which is coloring. And there you have it, RJ from BT21. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome week, and until I see you next time, remember to let your light shine. Bye!